What's up folks? So welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to replace my suitcase wheel so that it's going to be easily replaceable. So I want you to take a look at my suitcase wheel. This is original suitcase wheel, and if you can see, the suitcase wheel is repeated, so it's not replaceable. There's no way to replace it, right? Which is okay because most suitcase wheels aren't designed to be replaced as far as I know. But if you were traveling and if you happen to broke your suitcase wheel, then that's the problem, because most likely you would have to buy a new suitcase, but that is not very practical because the rest of your suitcase still works and in a good condition, and you have to buy another suitcase for a broken wheel. That's not cost effective, right? So today I am going to replace my suitcase into like this. See, hex key hole. Ooh. Hex key hole. So if you happen to break the wheel, you can easily replace it just by buying a wheel. Okay? Alright, so I'll show you step by step on how you can replace suitcase. So let's get started. So in front of me we have a suitcase wheel replacement kit. I got this from Amazon, and I will put the link on my comment section so that you guys can take a look. Anyways, so what we have, so 4 wheels. Where is the rest of 3? I actually used the rest of 3 wheels to replace my suitcase, but that is for testing and practice purpose. So you should have 4 wheels, okay? And the rest the same, yeah. So we have handsaw and 3 different length of shaft. This is because some people use a suitcase with 2 wheels, right? So that requires longer shaft. But since I use single, like this, single wheel suitcase, so I will use this one to replace my suitcase wheel. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's get started. As you saw, this is the blue saw from the toolkit, and you just have to cut through the steel shaft that is embedded. But this isn't too ideal. It's okay, but you see this lock holder? This is like a screw, so you just have to fixate this saw. Right now it's like this, and you just rotate and fixate it. But if you do that, you will lose half of working saw, right? So you will have to work on this longer, right? That's okay. You can totally do that, but I have different option. I bought this a long time ago, and this saw isn't too special. It's actually it actually uses the same length of a blue saw. So if you buy a toolkit and if you don't want to work on cutting a shaft longer, you can just use it. It'll make the process much more faster. I heard, based on the review, it will take about 1 hour for each wheel, but from what I tested, this will take you maybe 10 minutes Okay, so consider buying it, but not necessary. You can just use this one if you have time. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so let's cut through. Okay, we have some gaps between tire and saw, the shaft, so I'll start from here. Okay, yes. Yay! It's done! Yay! Alright, so let's actually replace with this new tire. Okay, so we just cut it. Yeah, so it's, you have to take the old shaft out, right? When you do that, this is kind of tricky. Short. See, it's coming out. Nah. There. There. Came out. Yeah. Tissue paper. See, it's there. Yep. Now let's push out, right? If you push, did you see it? Yeah, there. The old ones. And now finally the wheels came out. Beautiful. Right. These are wheels. Old wheels. Alright. So let's replace it with a new one. Alright, so for new one, we need new wheel and these two, shaft and locking screw and some, yeah, this thing. I don't know how you call it in English, but yeah, that's it. Let me know how you call it. So anyways, so you put the wheel like this. Alright, so if you have like a huge gap, you can feel with this thing in between wheel and this black one. Okay, but since I don't have much gaps, I think this is okay. And finally, use this, put like this, screw it, screw with hand. There you go. Yep. So afterwards, use 2 hex key to lock it. Let's see. There you go. Maybe I should put one of the thing. Maybe I'll adjust later. But yeah, pretty much that's it. New wheel. this side as well. New wheel. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, we'll test out, right? Okay, so let's test out new replaced wheels. Alright. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's working. It sounds smooth. Yeah. Good. Yeah. No problem. Yeah, it's smooth. There you go. Alright, so wheels replacement is done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.